Good afternoon, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden, and I'm kind of on a little treasure hunt here because I want to show you a few plants you're not going to see very often, and you're probably not going to find at your local garden shop. This is on my deck. Okay, so here's our deck, and this is a container plant. Obviously, it's in a pot, and I have to bring it in the winter. But it's really beautiful, actually. The foliage is always a shiny green. And it's called the Natal, N-A-T-A-L, Natal Plum. And in fact, you're looking at some plums here. It's actually native to southern Africa, and it's Carissa, C-A-R-I-S-S-A, for those who want to know such things. Macrocarpa, meaning large fruit. And so anyway, it's a beautiful plant to have on the deck because it takes absolutely no care at all. A couple of little warnings. It has white flowers. It's never going to flower you to death, at least not where we are. Now, I'm in zone 7B, 8A, so it's doing just fine. It has no problem with heat. And if I look at these, I don't know, I'm going to try and get a stem up for you, so I want to show you something. I don't know, you might be able to see, there are some thorns. So it's just not the friendliest guy in the world. But nevertheless, you're not really hugging it or kissing it, so it doesn't matter. The fruit is edible, quite truthfully, but the rest of it is pretty poisonous. So I just have it out here as obviously something that I enjoy having. So anyway, the Natal Plum, if you can find some, great. Come on over, I'll give you a few cuttings. This is Dr. A in the garden, enjoying myself and hoping you're sharing it with me. Take care. I'll see you down the garden path.